Madam President, fellow officials in the university, faculty members, students, employees, alumni here present, and pleasant good morning to you all. Earlier this morning, our Lord God showered us with His blessings, and we are very grateful. But now, the sun is out, and we are all happy and excited. And as team manager of the UE Red Warriors, it is my pride and pleasure to present to you the members of the UE Red Warriors UAAP Season 71. We'll start with our rookies. First, we have Erwin Duran. Erwin is a former member of the UE Red Pages. He is now a warrior wearing jersey number 12, standing 6'3" and playing forward. Erwin is the business management second-year student. Another former member of the UE Red Pages, we have Paul Christian Zamar, wearing jersey number 5, standing 6 feet and playing shooting guard. He is a third-year business management student. Another rookie, a recruit from the Letran colleges, we have Lucas Agarda, wearing jersey number. Lucas is 5'11", is one of our reliable guards. He is a second-year business management student. Another rookie, also from the Letran colleges, is John Michael Noble. He is wearing jersey number 21. He stands 6'2", playing forward, and is a first-year business management student. These are our 4 rookies for this season. And now for our veterans. We have Hazel Val Acuna, wearing jersey number 7, standing 6'3", playing forward. Val Acuna graduated last March with a degree in business management, and he is now enrolled at the graduate school to pursue his master's. Then we have Gino Etrone. Wearing jersey number 19, Gino stands 6'2½", plays forward, and is a third-year business management student. Then, Fadzir Pandayin. Toto, as he is known. Toto is wearing jersey number 4. He stands 5'10". He is a shooting guard and a fourth-year business management student. Then we have Rafael Carlo Reyes. Rafi wears jersey number 14, a point guard at 5'10", and a fourth-year business management student. And Rudy Tingkanay. Another point guard at 5'9", wearing jersey number 10, a second-year business management student. Then we have Paul John Lee. Wearing jersey number 20, standing 6'1", a shooting guard, a second-year business management student. And is a shooting.
Si Troni.
We have a player, Narciso Llagas, or Pari, but unfortunately, he cannot be with us today as he is nursing a fever. He is presently confined at the UERN Memorial Medical Center, but he will soon be well and will be able to join the team shortly.
Si Pari Llagas.
Pari wears jersey number 15.
Yung magaling.
He's 6'4". He is a power forward and a business management third year. Then we have Elmer Espiritu. Wearing jersey number 9. Elmer is 6'3", playing power forward and a third year business management student. Then we have James Vincent. James is a point guard at 5'10". He wears jersey number 6, a BA management 4th year, and was an academic achievement awardee last year. Then we have the co-captain of the team, Hans Paul Franz Thiele. Hans is our import from Aklan. He wears jersey number 11, stands 6'4", plays center, and is a third year business management student. I noticed that all of them are enrolled in business management. Siguro gusto maging business manager pareho ko. And of course, the team captain. Marcy was also a former member of the UE Red Pages. He's playing his 5th and last year with the